So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to lock your virtual card on the KOHO Financial application. So once you guys open up the app, go to the bottom left and go to the home page here. Then at the top, you sort of see your virtual card. If you just go ahead and press on your virtual card, it'll then bring you to this screen right here. Now, where it says lock card, so for me it says lock card right here. If I were to go ahead and press lock card right there, it now locks my card, meaning that if you were to lose it or someone else were to have your phone, etc., your card's not going to work. And if you just want to unlock it, press on unlock at the exact same time, and then your card is back to normal here. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to lock your virtual card on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.